Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. Today, we're going to do a self-portrait of Frida Kahlo. Are you guys ready to have a fantabulous art class? I know that I am. Okay, let's go. Now, Frida was born in Mexico, and she is considered to be one of Mexico's greatest artists. And today, we are going to be drawing a portrait of her. You are going to need a paper, pencil, or marker, and something to color with. Ready? Let's go! Now we are going to begin by drawing Frida's head. Now make sure you leave enough space at the top so that we can add her hair. Alright, for her head, we're going to use a rainbow line for the top of her head. And for the bottom of her head, we're going to use a U shape, or you can do a complete circle. Once you're finished with her head, we're going to start by drawing Frida's eyes. Now, Frida's eyes are a combination of U shapes and rainbow line. Try to get the eyes as even as you can. What you can do is draw one eye, and then you can measure the size of the eye by placing your finger on the eye to see how large it is, and then you can mark it on the other eye. Don't forget to add your eyelashes. Now that we're finished with the eyes, we're going to go ahead and add 2 dots for the nose. Now let's add the mouth. For the mouth, we're going to start with a horizontal line in the middle. Then we're going to add an M shape at the top. And then at the bottom, we're going to add a U shape. Now we are going to add Frida's eyebrows. Now Frida's eyebrows are very unique. She has what we call a unibrow, which is a joint eyebrow going all the way across. So we're going to start with 2 regular eyebrow shapes on the side, and then in the middle we're going to add a U shape to join both eyebrows. Then we're going to double that line to make the eyebrows thicker. Once you're finished drawing your eyebrows, you can go ahead and color them in. Now it's time for us to add Frida's hair. So we're going to start with an upside down V shape. Then we're going to bring the line down, bring 2 curved lines down to create the front of her hair. Now we're going to give Frida 2 ears, and we're using C shapes for the ears. And of course, we're going to move on to adding flowers like a bouquet headband on top of Frida's head. Now you can decide what type of flowers you want to do. I'm doing something simple. I'm going to do 2 different types of flowers. All I'm doing is repeating my curved lines and circles to create my flowers, and I'm adding a few leaves to go with my flowers. Let's finish Frida's hair, and we're going to use rainbow lines, 4 rainbow lines, to finish her hair so that she has a nice style. We're going to give Frida a nice earring, and we're using C shapes for the earring. 2 C shapes, and we're doing this on both sides. Guys, you're doing such an awesome job so far. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now let's add her neck, and we're using 2 vertical lines for her neck. And for her shoulders, we're going to use 2 diagonal lines. Now to add her dress, we're going to use a V shape to create our dress, and we're going to repeat that step and add another set of V shape for the style of her dress. We're not going to draw her entire body, but instead what we're going to do is add flowers, because Frida is known for her use of beautiful flowers, and I'm going to add 5 flowers to finish the artwork. Guys, I am loving your Frida portrait. Now that we're finished adding our flowers, we're going to go ahead and add a pearl necklace around Frida's neck. And of course, for the pendant, we're going to draw a circle with an F inside for Frida. Yes, guys, you're doing such an awesome job. Don't forget to add your small circles around the F to create a nice design. Alright, grab your markers or crayons. It is time for us to start coloring. Remember, if I am moving too fast, you can just hit the pause button and you can match your colors with mine. Guys, you're doing such an awesome job. I'm so proud of you. Guys, I am loving your Frida Kahlo artwork. You did such an amazing job. I had fun with you in art class today, and I will see you next time. Bye.